To add a welcome screen to your Wix site, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the Wix editor. The Wix editor is a user-friendly tool that allows you to customize and design your website without any coding knowledge. First, click on the Add icon on the left side of the editor, which looks like a plus sign. This will open a menu with various options to add different elements to your site. From this menu, select Page and then choose Welcome Screen. A welcome screen is a great way to introduce visitors to your site and provide them with a clear call to action. It can be used to promote a new product, offer a discount, or simply to welcome users to your site. Once you have added the welcome screen, you can customize it by adding text, images, and other elements. You can also change the background color, add a background image, and adjust the layout to fit your needs. To make your welcome screen more effective, make sure to keep it simple and concise. Use clear and compelling language to communicate your message, and include a prominent call to action to encourage visitors to take the next step. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your changes live. This will update your site and make the welcome screen visible to your visitors. By following these steps, you can create a professional-looking welcome screen that will help to engage your visitors and improve their overall user experience. Remember to test your welcome screen on different devices to ensure that it looks and functions as expected. With Wix, you can easily create a welcome screen that will help to take your site to the next level.